As you help your students to build their English vocabulary, you may find that translating words into their local language can be very helpful. When you use ReadToMe in your classroom, you can translate words in their English textbook to your chosen language. Let me show you how to use this tool on ReadToMe. Then we will look at how it can be used in the classroom. The first step is to choose the language to which you want to translate words. To do this, just click on the reading options icon. Click on this drop-down menu and select the language for translation. Then close the reading options box. All words that you translate will now be shown in your selected language. To check the translation of any word in your textbook, select the word and then click on the translate icon on top of the screen. You can see the translated meaning of the word in your chosen language. Let's try this for another word. Let us now take a look at the translate tool being used in a classroom.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of basket?
Okay, let's check the meaning in Hindi. Okay? Alright. So basket in Hindi means totally. Right?
Yes.
So now can you make a sentence with basket?
Yes, ma'am. The basket is very big.
Very good. Well tried. Very good. Sit down. The translate tool can be used very effectively to improve your students' comprehension. Once they know what a word means, you can focus on other aspects like spelling and pronunciation too. Thank you.